Hey everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Want to do a quick video, just the new rig setup and some of the plumbing stuff that we've done on here. So we got a new Pressure Pro 8 gallon a minute belt drive machine. Fantastic upgrade. Took a little while to get here, but I like the fact that it came with all the hoses and the tank and the battery and everything, and the injector and the hose and gun and all that. So the last time I got a skid, it was the machine and some tips, and I had to buy everything else. Try to redo some of the plumbing with just the new layout. So we got the 2-inch elbow, 2-inch pipe, 2-inch T, and that gets reduced down to 1.5, goes through that 1-inch ball valve, 1-inch Y filter, 1-inch hose all the way down, right down to that into the inlet there. I believe it's 3/4 inch male there. This other one, we've got it coming here to the T. We've got the ball valve. I'm going to put a bowl filter or another Y filter on here. I just haven't gotten time to do that yet. This spot I'm not super thrilled about, but it's been working pretty well because we've got so much flow at this point that it's pulling that into the 5.5 gallon a minute machine. Don't have that hooked up right now, but that would go to one of the other reels, have the jumper hose. That's the 5.5 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI unit. Big thing I want to show real quick is what I've done for making mix. Now the light's kind of being difficult on it, but basically this is my 100 gallon mix tank. Got this 3-way ball valve, so right now it's coming in and then goes that way, which takes it to the roof machine. If I need to make more mix, or if I want to flush the system, I twist this thing so that it's coming from this side. And then right here, this other ball valve, so I can easily turn this to go from either bleach, which is this side, or from that water line that we were just looking at. So I can make that mix, and then I'm pumping that in with the 10 gallon a minute machine. So I mean, just a few minutes and we've got that 10 minutes tops, and we got another 100 gallons of mix. It's also really nice as I can end up doing a quick flush of the system. Just turn the water on, turn water, make it pull from there, and within about 30 seconds to a minute, I've flushed the system. Not flushing this with the ag hose got from Russ at Southside. Also bought the Pressure Pro through Russ there, and this one too. This is our roof machine, 150 PSI, 9.5 gallons a minute. It is fantastic. If anything, it shoots too much too fast, but in our industry you just spray faster. Got our 55 gallon SH drum. I've got this pump on here too, just in case, but we've actually got it set up so this hose can actually be just put in there, pull the 5 gallons out, or we can, if need be able to pump straight into that. And then we also just take that lid off to add the snotminate and dragon juice into it. Got a nice little spot to hold the bung wrench there. Stackable hose reel, got our high pressure reel up top. Got our supply hose on the bottom with the 1-inch hose going through there. I'm going to end up actually probably setting up a second supply reel, just because running 13-14 gallons a minute, I don't want to have to deal with slow water supplies on houses. But it's also, this is I think 3 sections of like 75-foot section hoses. Got another 200 or 300 feet of hose on both reels. Right now in this back area, I'm going to eventually mount the surface cleaners, but I've got my Whisper Wash Classic. I'm going to upgrade that to a 4-tip bar soon, and we've got the 24-inch A+. It works pretty well. It certainly, I still like the Classic, although sometimes one decides to work a lot better than the other. Got our 2 different tanks. The other one I actually managed to run the fuel line through there. All the extra miscellaneous parts, oil, more gas, extra hose, got an extra 200 feet there. I believe I've got another 100 or so in the trailer. Other gas tank, gypsum pellets when we're doing roof jobs, some extra ladders. We're keeping most of our wands down here right now. I'm probably going to do something different with that. And we got the whole ladder rack for the ladders up top. That's worked out pretty well. We are going to be putting signage on this, so I'll do video once I actually get the graphic person to do that. So, and sorry about all the junk in the background. We got some cleaning out to do, but we've been busy. So anyways, hope this helps. And definitely with the plumbing, you know, it's always something that's evolving. I know I've done a whole mess of videos on that, but this has been working really well, and I like it. You know, my philosophy with it, if it's got to go a long distance on there, go 2 inches the entire way basically until the last minute when it needs to go down to 1 inch. So anyways, hope this helps, and wash on. Thanks.